Now that we have applied normal map onto our lollipop wrapping, let's map a texture with the logo with one of the 5 colors we need to create for all lollipops. We will drag the logo image from its folder onto the shader layout, and the node is created right away. And now we have to map it correctly. Let's select the polygons above the sphere, because the logo will be mapped just on the top. We need to create a new UV map clicking the plus icon on the panel. We bring up the logo image on the UV editor and do the unwrapping. The seams are not helping, let's try another approach. We will clear the seams and choose Project from View again. Scale it till the logo fits all around the top. Now we need to update the material shader so it can read the new UV map. We will insert a UV map node for that. Then we need to adjust the remaining polygons to the color space on the image. Just invert the selection and unwrap it. Now everything looks nice and fit. We will create a new material to the stick with a plastic looking. We need world image reflection and illumination. I will append an already made world node with an HDRI image attached. Let's activate Auto Smooth in normal panel and it's done.